For installing the package, it's pretty simple using Composer install. So I'm going to type Composer require base mhirat and Elasticsearch. Okay, if I hit enter and wait for a couple of minutes, it's going to install the package on my system, but because I have already installed it, I'm going to get an error, so it's available for me. And for the next step, you just need to, after mm, successfully installing the package, you need to publish the vendor. For that, I'm going to type PHP artisan vendor publish and provider, which is going to be base mhirat backslash elasticsearch backslash elastic search service provider. And if I hit enter, it copied directly to my config folder. And if I go to the config folder and es.php, I'm going to see the config file, which is not going to be changed by us in this course. That's because it's pretty much what we need for going further for our CRUD queries and other queries. And so we don't need to change any of this. Okay, that's pretty much it. In the next session, we will talk about the CRUD, create, read, update, and deleting a document, and of course, creating and dropping the index itself.